Hey everyone, me Kevin here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's all I can say. Elon Musk is back at it again. This time it looks like Dogecoin is the target, folks. People have been diving into ADA here, thinking that Cardano might be the target for Elon Musk. The big red flag for that one should have been this morning. Cardano's founder suggesting on Twitter, hey, does this mean you want to talk to me? And Elon did not reply to that. Instead, Elon Musk decided to just come out with a brand new tweet. And folks, it's about Dogecoin. You ready for this? Buckle up, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Working with Dogecoin developers to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. Whoa, that is a big statement right here. Elon Musk also clarifying an hour ago, it is high time there was a carbon tax, which what's kind of funny about that is I literally, and I'm not trying to take credit for it, this has been talked about for a while, but I've been talking about a carbon tax as something that California needs for funding the removal of California's income tax. We'll see, but that is that's definitely something that is on my radar as, who knows, a potential candidate. All right. Elon Musk also goes on to say, to be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel usage, especially coal. Working with Dogecoin developers to improve transaction efficiency, potentially promising. A little bit concerning that you know, it's it makes you wonder, like, what potentially happens if Elon Musk it was potentially promising, but yeah, that never came to be, you know. No, he got like a sell-off on that. I'm going to be watching for reaction here in Cardano, but let's go ahead and go to CoinMarketCap here. Robinhood's a little all over the place right now with pricing, but let's go ahead and compare CoinMarketCap. Cardano presently up 15%, and then we'll look at Dogecoin. Actually, I'm sorry, up 17% here on day, up at 196 on Cardano. Actually, not really seeing a rotation down here. Let's go to the minute here. Never mind. Well, let me see what the timing was here. Yeah, that is, yep, here you go. Yeah, actually, you did see a rotation down during Elon's tweet here. We've gone from 197 to 191, so we are rotating down on Cardano. This is what I was expecting. I didn't see it there on the day view, but obviously I was on the day view. We are seeing a rotation down on 88 Cardano. This is definitely one that I was keeping an eye on as well. Looking at, hey, what if that ends up being the alternative? In fact, we talked about it just a few days ago. But Kali, let's go ahead and take a look at Doge, because we had one heck of a spike on Robinhood. We were trading under 38 cents here for a period of time. Dogecoin, let's go to the trading view here, and let's go into the day. Look at that 1 minute chart on Dogecoin, folks. We fell to a low here. We were kind of bobbing around. Let's see how low we got. Look at this. We got to this low of about 37.6 on Doge. Really sort of depressed prices here. 38 over here. 37.6 appears to kind of have been one of the recent lows here on Doge. Look at this volume, though, that has kind of been flowing into Doge in these little peaks here. So we started seeing a movement on Doge up here. I hate to be jaded, but part of you wonders, really, an hour, what is this, an hour, yeah, about an hour and 45 minutes, an hour and a half before Elon Musk tweets about Doge, we get this sudden, out of nowhere spike in volume on Doge. Spike in volume on Doge, right here. Now, somebody's suggesting maybe the CEO of Coinbase said that Doge was coming. I see actually a few of you saying that. I'm not sure if that happened here. I could look at the Bloom terminal and we could see if that's the case. If that's the case, fine. If this is Coinbase related, fine. But otherwise, who knows? Maybe something got slipped because, you know, this was the tweet news right here. And we've seen a run up all the way up to a peak of about 50 cents here. Which has really only started settling here around 47 in just the last few minutes. We'll see how this keeps moving as media attention gets out over this. I don't actually expect that this is being covered yet on the media. Let's go ahead and take a look here. CDC lifts most mask guidance. Yeah, usually it takes a while. Tesla's Musk renews environmental critique of Bitcoin. We don't. Elon Musk got bored of Bitcoin is a title over here. Oh my gosh. Oh no. But anyway, not seeing headline news just yet here, but obviously we are expecting this to hit the news very, very soon. And sometimes what you see with some of this activity is when we see these things before the news sees it, you end up seeing another bump after things start moving, but then the media starts getting a hold of some of the coverage here. See if CNBC has an alert. Sometimes they're pretty fast and they actually throw up a banner. I would expect very soon a red banner across the top here from CNBC. Elon Musk tweets potentially promising developments with Dogecoin. Something to that effect. And nothing on that yet. So far, only coverage here really about. So this is hot off the press. We basically went live right here within a couple minutes. And now it's just a matter of watching how this unfolds. Certainly anxiously here, waiting for potential additional tweets, even replies from other investors. We'll take a peek what we see here. I do want to say, Jordan Belfort, what's up, Dave? In here. That's awesome. I think a big thing we're really looking for is going to be, like a Michael Saylor style reply. So we'll keep an eye out for this. No replies there yet. AMC squeeze, by the way, trending here. But here goes Elon Musk pulling it off again with yet another twist in the Bitcoin saga here. Very entertaining to say the least. We'll kind of keep seeing what else is going on here. But let's what I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to pull up. Let's listen to this really quickly here because we got Coinbase over here, and then we're going to go cover some more of this Dogecoin talk. 1 second here.
We demonstrated with our Q1 results.
Okay, I was on a CNBC town hall today. I would say probably if we looked at the questions, I'm a stock guy, you know that. I'd say half the questions are about crypto, and many of them are from young people. So I have to ask you, because I know your background, if you're just starting out, how would you learn about this in a legitimate, objective way so that people can do this safely? Because you yourself said it's risky.
Come to our platform. We have lots of educational resources that we can educate you on. You can read our blog. We have references to other folks.
Oh no! I hit a button here. Whatever. They're talking about having a blog. Big deal. We'll get back to Doge in just a moment. I'm trying to get the terminal up.
Do you think that that major banks are going to say, why would you ever go there? They have no FDIC protection.
Ooh.
Well, we don't have FDIC protection on securities either, or bonds or other investment assets. So yes, these are not deposits that are FDIC insured. However, I believe that these can make great investment opportunities for folks that have the ability to hodl for long periods of time.
Okay, we're going to go ahead that have the opportunity to hodl for long periods of time. Let's go ahead and pull off this. The Bloomberg terminal is just driving up. While this drives up, let's go ahead and also see what's happening with some of the other coins. I'm specifically right now paying attention after this Elon Musk news. I'm specifically paying attention to Cardano. So let's go back to Cardano for a moment while we get the terminal up. We are at about 191 now on Cardano. On the 1 minute charts, we are still seeing a decline in Cardano pricing, primarily because Cardano was seen as potentially the biggest opportunity for Elon Musk to rotate into another coin. Right now, it does look like Dogecoin might be that might be that coin right here, with Elon Musk just now tweeting 15 minutes ago, working with Dogecoin developers to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. Keywords here, potentially promising. Certainly, if you just wrote working with Dogecoin devs to improve system transaction efficiency, that would almost be just like a, nail in the coffin for the other coins, and it'd just be straight Doge. But potentially promising, leaving a little bit to be speculated on here. Still rotating down on ADA, down to 1.90. Again, it is worth noting that Charles did respond to Elon Musk this morning. And he also responded 8 minutes ago. Okay, we'll have to look at that in just a moment here. But where is the morning tweet of his? Oh, he tweets a lot. Okay. So where is it? Charles is the founder of ADA Cardano. And this morning tweeted in response to Elon Musk about, hey, why don't we have a conversation about ADA or Cardano? Yeah, there we go. See, are we finally going to have the Cardano conversation? Come to my farm in Longmont with Kimball. Got sweet tea and mini donkeys. This got like 16,000 likes here. I mean, really, really great here, right? And then I replied to him and go, we could have a 3-way chat on my channel. So why not? We had actually just tweeted him like an hour before he tweeted about coming on the channel. And he goes, I don't think Elon wants to have a 3-way with us, Kev. I mean, I could ask him. We do have a lot of whiskey. Oh, man. But anyway, what's most important here is his reaction just within the last few minutes here. Charles responding with this. Alrighty then. That is a direct response to working with Dogecoin developers to improve transaction efficiency. Potentially promising, he says. Let's go ahead and see. I don't see Bloomberg.com certainly yet covering any of this. We're going to jump on over. The terminal is live. We're going to go pull up the terminal here. And what I'm really looking for is any kind of top news headlines coming through about Elon Musk's tweet. There are sections that track Elon's tweets pretty quickly. But generally what I'm looking for here are going to be the first news articles that come out. Generally, those take a little bit more time. Unless, of course, Meg's talking about it. Let's give her a shot.
60% of the population over the age.
Nope. Meg is not talking about it. So let's go. We'll keep an eye on the top news here, but no top news regarding Doge right now. Let's go back then to Cardano and Doge. We'll see what kind of price action we're getting over here. Again, our favorite way of tracking this is, oh, there we go. All right, our favorite way of tracking this is by going to the 1 minute on TradingView by CoinMarketCap. One of my favorite ways to look at the platform. I do have to say, Weeble's pretty good as well. Coinbase Pro's got some, but we are seeing some heavier selling here on ADA right now. We are getting higher volume on ADA, selling this news. It is very likely that the trading momentum from Cardano will go directly into Dogecoin. That would be an expectation, so I would not be surprised to see. Obviously, volume increases here. We are at 47.8 cents now on Doge. That is up a chunk here from intraday lows, where we hit lows in the neighborhood of, oh, I'm sorry, we're even higher now. We're at 50.8 right now. This is obviously much higher than the intraday lows at about 37 that we had earlier today. 37, 36-ish, right around there. Incredible spike number one here at about what is this, about an hour and a half ago? I'm sorry, spike number one came over here at about an hour and a half ago, and we really got our Elon Musk spike right here. But the news, you can see the news is really starting to circulate over here, and then this is where we're starting to see that volume increase again. See, this right here is Elon's tweet. And this right here is generally once you start getting either social media or news outlets reporting on this more, that's typically when you're going to see spikes like this. I do see some comments here saying Doge is inflationary. He's trolling you. And then somebody says XRP is the greenest crypto, does 1,500 transactions per second. It was designed for payments. One thing that people do say about Doge being Graham Stephan, Kevin's officially faster than Will. I appreciate you saying that, Graham. Vote for Kevin. But yeah, I mean, one of the things that is so interesting about the fact that Doge is inflationary, and Graham, you've actually talked about this, is that maybe it encourages spending. It's sort of like the US dollar encourages spending, and we are seeing some of that inflation now. Yeah, so absolutely incredible double spikes that we've got here. Certainly big volume movements here. Let's go ahead and take a quick peek at what kind of like actual dollar volume spike we're seeing here. So we're going to zoom in very closely, and we're just going to take closer. I'd like to get intraday is what I'd like to do. Let's go intraday here. There we go. All right. So now we're going to zoom in a little bit more. And what we really want here is just to cover what's happening here. Not exactly sure how to, oops. That's definitely not the way to do it. Not exactly sure on CoinMarketCap how to get just what I want, which is really just today is what we want. There we go. No, making it a little bit tougher for us to see just today. There we go. Okay, here we go. That's much better. Okay, so here we can kind of see some more of the minute by minute movements of no, this is just giving us 24-hour volume. That's not as ideal as I was hoping. Nope, never mind. Hoping to see really a little bit more of a volume movement, but I think the best place to see that is going to be the minute chart over here. When we are starting to see at least the coin volume decline over here. Keep in mind, it does also make sense that the bars of volume would be higher here, because remember, these are bars of coins. So how many coins are trading off of this news? And so are these, but these are being conducted at higher prices. So it does make sense for volume to decline as the prices increase. We are bobbing around that 51 cents now. Nowhere near our S&L highs, but still moving quite a bit on this Twitter news here. Let's go ahead and double check Elon here for any potential follow-ups or replies. We'll check tweets and replies here. So what else? What do we have here? Ooh, okay, what is this? Finished Wizard, The Life and Times of Nikola Tesla. Somewhat disappointing. The author was neither technical nor business-oriented and rather credulous about the influence of later products. Many people think the world should have treated Tesla better, but I often wanted to grab him by the shoulders and yell, focus. Edison isn't highly regarded today as it used to be, but he shipped. Any book like this does make me really feel my lack of deep technical understanding. Okay, got it. Elon Musk replied to that, I have a lot of respect for anyone who ships useful products at scale. It's insanely hard work. This is kind of a classic diss right here from Elon Musk about how difficult it is to scale in production. Let's see here. I'd love to hear about your new use there for Matterport, Jason. You'll have to tag me or email me. but anyway, yeah, this is the big one we're all paying attention to right now. We're waiting for potential news to break and sort of the mainstream media on news about this movement from Elon Musk about Dogecoin here. We can go ahead and we can start lining up Bloomberg Live here to play as well. While this loads through an ad, we can also check the top news here on the term. There are sections of the term that will pick us, will give us alerts very, very quickly to tweets like this. But this is just sort of the top news section. And so far, nothing yet about Doge. So I think the media is still a little bit behind on this story. And Bloomberg Live is actually not even coming up right now. Doge. Okay, quick links. Dogecoin dives. This shows you how behind CNBC is right here. Dogecoin dives. We've been streaming for 17 minutes, and Dogecoin is not diving. Dogecoin is mooning. It's rocketing. But oh well. So let's see here. Yeah, let's go back to. Can we check the chart? Let's go ahead and go back to Cardano and see how we sit at Cardano. This is Cardano is, of course, the coin we expect a lot of folks to rotate out of with the discussion around Dogecoin, unfortunately. So let's see what we have here. Okay, going back to the 1 minute sticks here, we are trying to bounce a little bit. It looks like we hit a support level right around 185.9, 186, right around here. Nah, closer to 185.5. We are bobbing right now, right around that 188 level. Certainly, it's a bounce, which is nice because now we have a little bit of sort of definition in this chart here. We'll see where it goes, but there is a lot of enthusiasm that went into Cardano over the last few days. Of course, we're just playing over here. Cardano's still playing at all-time highs. We dove lower support levels, let's say 180. But this recent sell-off here, of course, almost solely the doing of Elon Musk via his tweet right here. Waiting to see if there are any kind of potential follow-ups on this. More information would be nice, even from whether that's the Doge community or even competitors like Charles. Charles gave us a nice meme. Going back to Doge itself here on the Doge chart, we'll go ahead and watch. Is it time to buy Doge? Dump BTC and put it all into Doge. Oh, no. Yeah, we're at about 49 cents right now on Doge. Let's jump. We'll keep these two charts up, and then let's go ahead and hop on over to Bitcoin and see how Bitcoin's behaving here. Bitcoin at about 48.8 right now. We are going into the trading view. Let's go see how Bitcoin responded to this news. Not well. Yeah, Bitcoin kind of falling a little bit here on that solidification of Elon Musk trolling away from Bitcoin. Bouncing around 48,400 for Bitcoin at the moment. Let's go ahead and see how even Ethereum's reacting. If we saw that kind of similar sell down and bounce, we'll give that a peek here. We've got Ethereum up on screen now. This is a day chart, so let's go to the minute chart. Yeah, similar fall. Sitting around support levels now at about 36.45. Ethereum on the minute chart. We all are looking at minute candles, so you always want to keep in mind these can exaggerate a little bit more what's really happening in the marketplace. Waiting for potential updates from Elon. Unlikely to get any soon here as the Doge community reacts. Yeah. No, wait. 20 seconds ago. Here we go. Locating ground data stations at data centers will significantly improve latency and jitter. Data can go from a user terminal to server without touching the internet. Okay, hold on. Locating ground stations. Ground stations for what? SpaceX will install ground stations within Google's data centers for its Starlink broadband satellites under a new cloud partnership. Ooh, a partnership between Google and Starlink here. Looks like SpaceX will install these ground stations within Google's data centers, which we know Google's data centers are huge. Google Cloud Storage, one of the largest and most fantastic cloud storage systems that really exists. Then we have Imam's not very happy that we're comparing or indicating any kind of comparison between Cardano and Doge. Unfortunately, I worry that there was a little bit of a Doge pump, a Cardano pump, because people were sort of escaping maybe Bitcoin and Ethereum, thinking, oh, Cardano is going to be next. Potentially, Elon's pulling those folks over to Doge right now. But anyway, Google, massive data centers here, so interesting update here from Elon Musk just within the last 60 seconds. Locating ground stations at data centers will significantly improve latency and jitter. Data can go from user terminal to server without touching the internet. Makes sense. No need to go through the internet if your satellite receivers are at the station. We have gone as high as 52 cents now on Dogecoin on Binance after Elon Musk's tweet regarding transaction efficiency over at Doge being potentially promising. This is that was on Binance. Looks like an update's coming through on. We do have Dogecoin up right here just to track what we've got going on. We're keeping an eye here on the minute chart, ideally. We're seeing a little bit of a settle down on the Doge movement here. Certainly a solid 10-point movement there on Doge. No shortage of shock factor here. Cardano is bobbing around that 1.9 figure right now, which is really a place that we've been sitting a good portion of the day, bouncing around 1.9. 1.9 still relatively high, still great in terms of growth for Cardano. It's been a phenomenal coin that has really been gaining popularity. 49,000 here on BTC, trying to get to 49,100, trying to recover. Ethereum's trying to recover as well, sitting around 3.66 right now. Bloomberg TV, for some reason, Bloomberg TV is stuck. We'll give them a quick shot here. Maybe on Google Chrome, maybe it's a Safari issue. But I have to say, I'm still a little shocked that I'm not seeing the Doge news crossing CNBC, or let's see if the Wall Street Journal is covering it. Some journalism on it would be nice to get a little bit of color on, but so far I'm not seeing it. I will look at, let's go strictly into Doge on Bloomberg here. And we'll see what we have here. Yeah, Bloomberg Live is talking about Ant community right now. So let's go ahead and just type in Doge. Let's see what we got here, Dogecoin. Let's give that a little bit of a search, and then we'll pop that up here. Is it did MarketWatch just post? That's great. I'll go ahead and check that in just a moment. It's wonderful. Dogecoin. All right, let's see all here on Dogecoin. So, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is coming to crypto platform Coinbase in 2 months, says CEO. And that happened at 6:16. That actually could be why we saw that first pump on Dogecoin. That's absolutely possible, because that timing does align. Yeah, here we go. So, I mean, we do have some See, this is where you can kind of see like the more instantaneous news. We do have Bitcoin plunges as Elon Musk talks obviously about this. Here we go. It came through very, very quickly here on Bloomberg. Musk working with Dogecoin to improve transaction efficiency, essentially just quoting his tweet right here. But that alert going out. No other insights here. Let's see here. If we have another article, Dow Jones. No, just tweets about Doge, sending it up. Just more alerts. Somebody mentions that, the Fly wrote a piece on them. Let's give them a shot here. We'll maybe see if MarketWatch has anything as well. So, no, the Fly's also just pulling headline news here. No huge stories on it yet. They will be, though. MarketWatch, Dogecoin, Elon Musk. Let's go ahead and take a peek at that. So, we have... There we go, 7 minutes ago. MarketWatch has it. There it is. See, look at that. And they have the banner up, too, at MarketWatch. MarketWatch, finally, one of the fastest within the last 7 minutes here, posting the article. And quoting Elon Musk, a day after revealing Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin as a payment for its cars, Elon Musk suggested Thursday that another cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, could be turned into a suitable replacement. Here we've got the quoted tweet. Bitcoin up substantially. Bitcoin taking a large hit after Tesla's announcement. While Bitcoin has been seen as Bitcoin has been seen as a potential payments option since its inception, Dogecoin was largely conceived as a joke. The crypto has seen a stunning increase, however, since Musk adopted it as a meme and began tweeting about it earlier this year, including strong gains last week before the billionaire's guest hosting appearance on Saturday Night Live. Immediately after Musk's tweet Thursday, Dogecoin prices jumped from less than 43 cents a piece to more than 50 cents. I keep reading this in a moment here from MarketWatch. I do just want to quickly mention, if you have not yet, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want more, a lot of you subscribed on my last crypto-related video. If you want more of a video, the best thing you could do is subscribe while you're watching that video. It's a good, if you're not subscribed yet, it's a signal to the channel that those are the videos you like. So if you like these, consider subscribing. All right, excuse me. Bitcoin declined from about 54.5 a coin to less than 50K in an hour after the announcement. We have seen it head down to as low as 47.5-ish. Tesla stock was up a tick in after-hours trading, falling 3% in the day. No other coverage here, really just summarizing what we've already seen. Let's go ahead and see if we have any more potential tweets. And we'll take a look at the crypto sticks again. Yeah, Bloomberg just frozen over here. So let's see if we've got any more tweets. We've got Charles. We'll give Charles a shot for looking for more tweets here. Charles, just the meme response to Elon Musk. And then Elon Musk himself tweeting about SpaceX shortly after his Doge tweet. But nothing yet so far in terms of follow-up to his Doge commentary. Let's go ahead and jump on over then to the sticks here in terms of Cardano. We have Dogecoin right now. I'm sorry, this is Cardano. Cardano ADA is bobbing around that 190 level right now. All-time high, obviously, right now. We've got some comments here about folks talking about issues with Robinhood. Yeah, let's see here. Let's see. That's pretty cool. All right. So Robinhood showing the price of Doge at 49 cents right now. I'll try to buy. Well, I'm just going to try to buy, I don't know, $10 or 10 coins worth just to see if it'll go through. Go ahead and give it a little swipe up here. And looks like we're sending our order through. No, Dogecoin purchase. Your Dogecoin order has been purchased or filled or whatever. So I'll go ahead and show that out. It does look like it is working. So if you are looking, I know there are many of you who don't want to buy on Robinhood, but many of you also only have the option to buy on Robinhood. I did just try to buy 10 Doge and it did go through. We did have some issues on Saturday. Cardano falling a little bit at the moment. We've got another red candlestick forming on Cardano. Again, Cardano being at all-time highs, not extremely important right now that we're seeing a drop to 1.89 here. It's still at incredible highs here. Thank you, Dablo. Keep the crypto news coming. This is amazing. Well, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's see here. Okay. Some of you are saying that a few minutes ago you are still having trouble with Doge. Sorry to hear that. I will say that if you want to use Webull to trade, that would be another option for you. You could go in here and hit Dogecoin, and I'll go ahead and just try to execute I don't know, like a $5 order here really quick. We'll see if Webull goes through. Oops. Keep in mind, you can get 2 free stocks if you sign up with a Webull. Let me try to do it really quick. Yeah, you can get 2 free stocks with Webull if you go to metkevin.com/Webull. I'll just go ahead and put it in under more. I don't think it's yeah, it should let me do a market. Okay. Unlock, buy, order confirmation. Let's submit it. There it is. It's in. Yeah, my order just went through. I got 10.16 coins for a price of $49.19 a piece. Just went through on Dogecoin on Webull. So at least for $5, $5 did go through on Robinhood and Webull. Though sometimes you can see. Thank you, metkevin.com/Webull. I appreciate you for saying that link. Sometimes you can see smaller orders go through. So if you are trying to put through a larger order, sometimes the fill rates can be a little slower there. I'd obviously also encourage that you probably want to submit if you're trying to buy like instantly, consider throwing in a market order. I know a lot of traders hate the idea of that because of tick fluctuations that you could see. Those, of course, makes sense. But if you're a hodler, it might matter a little less. Although we are seeing a current trend to the downside on Dogecoin. Dogecoin presently rotating down here. So it looks like, we had a big buy the... get on Rust. Yeah, man, today's wipe day. Let's go. Yeah, 72 hours ago. Someone here says, Elon stays trolling. 72 hours ago, he called it a hustle. Yeah. This is true. He did say that this is very true. His mother also said no thanks to getting gifted Doge. So, you definitely have mixed signals, to say the least. There's no doubt about that. We do have Cardano here dropping to about 1.87 at the moment. 1.87 on Cardano. Let's go ahead and see if we can get to, let's get Dogecoin up again. Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin still moving very nicely. Let's go take a peek here at the minute chart. Always remember to change your setting to a minute if you want to see what's happening. Otherwise, sometimes you can kind of get caught up in like, oh, the day chart looks so much better or whatever. Anywho, we are seeing this rotation back down right now on Doge. So some of this maybe being a little buy the rumor, sell the news-ish. I don't know if that's probably not the correct way to define this. But you do frequently get a lot of buying pressure after you get a news event like a tweet or a earnings report or whatever. Coinbase, by the way, also trending here on Doge. You do oftentimes get a lot of buying pressure, and that quickly absorbs a lot of selling, sellers' inventory. And so prices go up to hit those newer limits. So it's very common for you to see a sell down after a jump like this. I do want to see the prior push here. Was that after a Coinbase announcement? Yeah, that could be. This could have literally been right here about that Coinbase announcement. I think those of you in the comments who were suggesting that, you could be right. This pump could be Coinbase right here. And the pump over here was Elon Musk's, which was much larger. In fact, you could see that very well. No, you can't really see that very well. Yeah, here you go. You could see this pump right here. This was probably the Coinbase pump right here. And then this is really the Elon pump right over here. But big moves here, without a doubt. Still evaluating to see if Elon Musk is planning on selling any further tweets here, or sending any others. We did get a tweet on SpaceX here, but beyond that, we don't have anything other than Fox anchor trending on Twitter right now, which we can also flip over to really quick just to see if there's anything weird going on over there. You never know. It is Fox News primetime, so you never know what they're talking about. No, they're talking about Liz Cheney. All right, never mind. We'll stay away from the politics for a moment. All right, we'll flip back on over to CNBC, which isn't really covering this at all right now. No, talking about Biden. Now, let's go see as now Biden update here on Bloomberg TV as well. So I'm personally surprised that we don't have Bloomberg reporting on this Doge yet as a headline, or quite frankly, even going into a CNBC headline here. Stock futures are little changed after major averages snap 3-day losing streak. We are getting to the close of after hours trading on Webull. Coinbase CFO on crypto investors, Dogecoin, and growing competition. Might be worth taking a quick peek over here to see what we have. So let's see here. Okay, talk about the CDC. Where's the Doge part? Did I click on the wrong one? Oh yeah, I clicked on the wrong one. How did I do that? Pretty sure I clicked on Coinbase CFO. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, so what do we have here? Below the key takeaways. What are crypto investors buying? Typically, the first coin that people are interested in is Bitcoin. The other crypto assets on the platform are seeing an increasing volume in trading assets on our platform. And so we think over time, more and more users are getting engaged with more and more crypto assets. That's good. Is cryptocurrency regulation needed? We've leaned into regulation since we were founded. We like partnering with regulators. We want there to be a level playing field to embrace regulation. What does Elon Musk's reversal on Bitcoin and volatility in crypto say about the assets? I think crypto is here to stay. I do think crypto is volatile, though, and you can see it when we react to a tweet. Boy, oh boy, that could not be more true. Look at this. We even have Doge talked about here on Cramer, Jim Cramer show here. Should investors take Dogecoin seriously? And Coinbase responds, we leave that decision to our users. We are a platform. We want to offer all assets that meet our listing requiremements, and we hope to be the place where you can come and trade anything. It's not the case today. We are slow and we need to add more assets. We're making big investments to improve our speed of asset addition. But clearly the market is speaking. All right, that's not half bullish here. All right, what about competition? We welcome competition, blah, blah, blah. It sounds like a Neo Tesla kind of response. All right, let's go to... Let's go back to the sticks for a moment. So let's see. Sticks are over here. All right. So Doge right now sitting at about that 40, 48, 47, 48. Now we're right about 48. Bouncing a little bit. We are seeing the volume on Doge rotate a little bit to the downside despite prices lowering. Keep in mind when you see volume go down and you see prices go down with it, that's important, because as price goes down and volume were stable, volume could actually look like coin or like money volume was stable. You could actually look like individual coin volume was going up, because as the price goes down, if money volume stays constant, then the actual coins traded volume would be going up. So that's why sometimes you could see these downs and then volume trends up over time. We're actually seeing a decline sort of in both directions. We saw a decline over here, some sell pressure, kind of rotating down on volume, although we are having a little bit of a green candle right now in the 1 minute. So it's something to keep an eye on, but we are seeing substantially less volume in the last few minutes here than what we saw about. And at Bitcoin, all trying to rebound a little bit, but Bitcoin and Ethereum sitting at lows here. We can also take a quick peek at, let's look at Ethereum Classic. There we go, Ethereum Classic. It's a number 18 coin. Ethereum Classic today down about 18%. And let's go to the minute chart here. Yeah, you did also see a little bit of an Elon Musk style crash here, and a rotation back to the upside. So really offsetting some of that crash. Woo! Excuse me. All right. Okay. Let's see if we get any other headlines here. Now, still no lines or updates really here. We can look at after hours briefly just for a moment. I do want to look at the 10-year Treasury. It's always very relevant. The 10-year. See what we got here. 10-year Treasury on the line chart is sitting at about 1.6574, a little bit lower than it has been. Going back over here to Webull, we see Dogecoin sitting at about that 48, 49 level still. Ethereum sitting at 36.61 and BTC 49.299. Otherwise, in the after hours, Plantronics really selling off here. Aurora Cannabis selling down about 10%. Disney down about 4%. We've got GameStop and AMC rotating down about 1.4 to 1.5%. Fisker all of a sudden up 12% in the pre-market. Fisker's been, or after hours here, Fisker has been, I see you, Ian Smith, on Twitter. Why did you first say today? No, you should have been live on Twitter. But anyway, Fisker has been a trader stock before, so you might potentially see a little bit of a rotation back to Fisker if people are looking for a momentum play. But otherwise, pretty stable right now. Let's do one more look here at Elon Musk here. Remember, check out that coupon code down below, folks. We will be raising the price as soon as the market is ready. Here we go. As always, don't panic. Another tweet from Elon Musk coming through just seconds ago. Too bad it doesn't say get 39% off using the code to the moon on Meet Kevin's courses, link down below before the price goes up. But we did get another don't panic sort of meme here from Elon Musk. Been a while since we've had one of those. But working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. And just as we were getting ready to potentially end, we saw Elon Musk coming out here with yet another tweet that says "Don't panic," which makes you wonder. We actually are seeing a little bit of a push here on Dogecoin after that for 492. Cardano actually rotating to the downside after a little bit of talk there, and Bitcoin also rotating a little bit to the downside here. Don't panic from Elon. Wow, he knows how to play the internet. Woo! Pretty incredible. Anyway, if you do like this platform, make sure to go to metkevin.com/Weeble, deposit $100, and you will get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. First one's a little smaller, the second one's larger, and you do have to deposit that $100 and clear it before you get that second stock. Going back to Doge here, still seeing volume tick up marginally here, but really short of any other updates. This is the best news that we've really got for Dogecoin right here. As a potentially promising coin for improving transaction efficiency. Keep in mind, this does come not only after Elon Musk's debate on cryptos, but also this right here. This right here, which is, do you want Tesla to accept Doge? And 78% of individuals said yes. This phrase right here, German, is geil. Geil, by the way, means cool of Deutsch. And that is a reply to Tesla joins the top 5 most attractive employers in Germany. Yeah, I think they mean like not good looking, but like people want to work there. On Elon Musk's replies, cool, geil. All right, yeah. Anyway, I think that about does it. Let's see, Doge again. Doge still climbing a little bit. But there you have it. So thank you, Elon, for the entertainment. Thank you for watching. If you like the crypto-related content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button at any time. Just so you know, when you hit subscribe, it is a vote. When you vote on a video that you subscribe on, that is a way of telling your creator, we see it in the stats. Oh, okay, people subscribe off these videos and not these or whatever. It's important to do. Anyway, thank you so much for being here, folks. We'll see you.